Raise your desk height to make it easier to install the SteadyType EXO. Adjust all 4 knobs to open slightly more than the thickness of the desktop. Rest the long lip of the edge clamp along the front edge of the desk and adjust the SteadyType EXO to your desired working position. Slightly loosen the friction setting on the large keyboard tray tilt adjustment knob and tilt the tray down for easy access to the knobs. Gently tighten the 2 edge clamp knobs in the front until the EXO is secured to the desk. The long edge clamp is designed to provide ample contact area with the desktop for a secure hold without risk of damage to the wood or laminate, so there's no need to over-tighten these knobs. Now adjust the leveling knobs in the rear to make sure that the frame of the EXO is perfectly parallel to the desktop. Once level, you might want to tighten the front knobs just slightly. If your desk has a thicker front edge than the rest of your desktop, you can account for this difference by adjusting the front and rear knobs accordingly. Loosen or tighten the friction setting on the large keyboard tray tilt adjustment knob so you can easily change the tilt angle of the tray, but not have it unintentionally move on its own during regular use. If you ever want to remove the SteadyType EXO, for example to move it to another desk, it's as simple as loosening the 2 edge clamps in the front and slipping the tray off your desk. Watch our next video on how to use the SteadyType EXO to learn how to adjust the bumpers and pins for your specific keyboard and pointing device.